If men could read girls' minds, dating would be a whole lot easier. Girls can be very confusing. Men are blunt and say what they are thinking, but girls are ruled by emotion and often hide how they are really feeling or what they really want. So, as you know, this means that guys need to try and guess what a girl wants. It's frustrating, and it's going to end in a girl leaving a guy because she does not feel that her needs are being met. So if you can get into the mind of a girl and understand some of the things that she might want, well, it's going to make your dating life a whole lot easier. And you are in luck, because today I'm going to share with you so many things that girls want you to do but will never actually tell you. Like and subscribe. The first thing she wants you to do is to send a nice text. Girls love to receive nice texts from guys, but they don't want to tell him to send them. They want him to send them if he wants to. Now, this could be anything, and I know a lot of guys are uncomfortable to send these text messages, but you know what I'm going to say. It's going to be those sweet good morning texts or those good evening texts before she goes to bed. She will be blown away that you are so thoughtful, and let me tell you this, it only takes a few minutes out of your day, if not seconds, to take nice pictures of you both. This really is something that girls really want you to do. They love to have pictures with the special guy in their life so that they can plaster them all over social media, of course. Even if you don't feel like it or you hate having your pictures taken, just agree to having them taken occasionally because it will really make her so happy. If you wanted to take this a step further and get a heap of brownie points, take a picture of you both and then get it framed for her and she will be incredibly happy. Surprise her. I bet you can't find a girl that does not like surprises. Every girl loves it when a guy surprises her. She obviously does not want to have to tell you to surprise her, otherwise it wouldn't be a surprise at all. It does not need to be a big surprise to keep her happy. It could be something as small as bringing home her favourite chocolate. In fact, these often mean more than the big surprises, and it shows that you know her and what she likes. Don't wait until it's too late, keep up the surprises on the regular. Cook for her. Even if she does most of the cooking, you can still cook for her as well. You can surprise her by making her favourite dinner when she comes home after a long day at work. This is something she would really like for you to do but does not want to nag and tell you to do it. Give her really long hugs. Girls love physical contact and they want a guy who wants that too. They also like receiving long hugs for, well, no reason. It might be because you are leaving to go to work or just because she looks a little down. She will really appreciate all of the hugs that you give her and it will make her feel loved and very safe. Fit into her family. This is incredibly important to a girl. She does not want to feel as though she has to pick between you and her family. She wants to see that you are putting in an effort to get on with them and fit in with them. If the relationship was to get more serious, it is even more important that you get on with her parents. Even if it is a little bit difficult, she just wants to see that you are making the effort. Laugh at her jokes. If a girl is making jokes around you, it's because she wants to make you laugh. Girls don't just make jokes to a guy they are interested in for fun. They do it because they want to impress you. And if you don't laugh, she would probably think that you don't find her funny, and she might even think that you're not really that interested in her when you actually are. So even though you might not share the same sense of humour, you can probably still find some form of humour in what she's actually saying. Pay her compliments. Every girl and guy loves it when someone pays them a compliment. Although you might date a lot before you start hearing those compliments, over time the compliments become less frequent as you start dating. You start taking the other person for granted even when you don't mean to. It happens. Try not to start paying her compliments when you think they are appropriate. A good time to give her a compliment is when you are both having a date night. Buy her flowers. No matter what a girl says, she will appreciate you buying her flowers. This is a great way to both surprise her and obviously keep her happy. She will be really happy that you have thought of her and been romantic in that way. Girls love receiving flowers for their birthday, for Valentine's Day, on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, you get the point, right? Just let them know that you think of them by getting them some flowers. Stay up late and have deep conversations. Girls love having deep conversations. We love slumber parties for that reason. It's one of the ways that they connect deeply with the person that they are with. They especially love it though when a guy stays up late with them to have deep conversations. And the best conversations often happen at night when our brains are sort of overthinking. So why not spend one night doing this? You can talk about literally anything and everything and really get to know each other. Be a gentleman. Being a gentleman is something that never ever goes out of fashion. Girls love it when guys open the car door for them, hang up their coats, hold their hands and pull out their chairs. This might sound old-fashioned, but it actually shows that you respect women and that you have good values. And this is what can signal to a woman that you are a valuable person to date. Comfort her when she is sad. Girls are extremely emotional and they feel their emotions in a different way to men. This means that they can be sad or they may cry more than guys. Guys can get really annoyed at this because it feels like they are spending all of their time comforting a girl. It is worth remembering that she can't help it, that's her biology. Her emotions and hormones are all over the place, which is why this happens. So try to be empathetic towards her and comfort her when she is sad or down. She will really appreciate it. Support her. A girl wants a partner who is going to stand by her and support her even when times are tough. She needs someone to rely on and simply to be there for her when she needs a shoulder to cry on. She might not often talk about how she feels, but it's definitely something that she needs and wants. Give her your opinion. You shouldn't keep your opinion to yourself. Girls value it and they love to hear it. If she's having a problem and you think that your opinion could really help her out, then share it. She deserves to hear it and, well, she can either take it on board or leave it. At least you've shared it with her though. Be friends with her friends. Just like she wants you to get along with her family, she also wants you to get along with her friends. Even if they are not normally people that you would be friends with, be nice and spend time with them when you can. Give her your hoodie. This, I know, loads of guys like, well, that's it, I'm done for the day, I'm not going to watch this video anymore. But this is a girl's dream. If she has your hoodie or jumper that she likes and, you give it to her, she's going to treasure it and wear it when you are not around, but literally all the time, probably even when you do see her as well. Make her a cup of tea. It's something so simple, but it means so much. Girls love it when guys bring them cups of tea or coffee in bed. It makes their morning and sets them up for a great day, and it gives you some brownie points. And even if you guys are possibly just work colleagues, making her a random cup of tea or coffee is one way to really highlight the day for her.